Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another race, another obstacle course race, guys. So today's race, we're going to be doing a 5k. It's a 5k 21 obstacle Spartan sprint race at Golden Harvest. So you're going to be like Jason and the Golden Fleece. Jason and the Golden Fleece. Yo, guys, super excited for this race. Like, I'm excited for every race. So tell your face, Raymond. My face is sleeping still. Yeah, guys, like, so it's only 20 minutes away. This race is in North Riding. So when we get there, I'm gonna show you what the event looks like. And yeah, guys, from what I've seen on OCR Kings, they like to do Spartan races as well. The obstacles for Spartan looks like they are the same always, alright? Like, it's the exact same obstacles all the time. But I will be finding out from Marco later on in the video after I've done the race and I'm tired and everything. I'm going to be finding out from Marco, the man that brought Spartan South Africa, brought Spartan to South Africa. What a man, what a legend. I'm going to be chatting to him at the end of the race, just to see where the next race is, which is at Kloof, and if there's going to be any after that, and what his plans are for the series. So guys, sit back and relax and enjoy the video.
I just wanna ride around to take me to the start, where my eyes are clean, you're in front of me. I don't wanna write a song that makes me fall apart, but I only see no one next to me. So wake me, break me, take me for my love to go. I don't wanna fall away and leave it all behind, but the wind, it's weak. With the wind you speak, you are not the first to say that we will all be fine, but I'm in between, sitting in the deep.
Tactical Raymond.
And I'm so damn tired of these misconceptions. Yes, I'm broken, I'm down, but I'll carry on. So damn tired of these misconceptions. Keep my feet on the ground. So will you come and wake me, break me, take me for my love to go. Wake me, break me, take me for my love to go. And I'm so damn tired of these misconceptions. Yes, I'm broken, I'm down, but I'll carry on. So damn tired of these misconceptions. Keep my feet on the ground, 'cause I'll carry on. And I'll carry on. And I'll carry on. And I'll carry on.
other girl I beseech. So why you so out of reach? We could get crooked sweets and act like dogs in the streets. Don't come with your hate speech, cause that ain't love that you preach.
Yeah, something like that, man.
I feel like I've been besieged. It should all be routine. I wanna be with you with chop chop. I wanna be with you with routine. I wanna be with you in the dance. I wanna be with you on the beach. I wanna be with you with chop chop. I wanna be with you with routine.
Ankle.
I wanna be with you in the dance. I wanna be with you on the streets. You can't make up your mind. I can't help you decide. Say that I make you nervous. That's just my kind of service.
Hopefully I don't twist my ankle again.
We parked your car in your yard, lay down and tripped on the stars.
Bro, don't worry. Come on, Raymond!
I see God wants to
Ring the bell! Don't stop, bro.
Don't you know I prefer to be on my own? I can't build you a house, but I can become your home. Don't you know I prefer to be on my own? Oh, I can't build you a house, but I can become your home. I wanna be with you with chop chop. I wanna be with you with routine. I wanna be with you in the dance. I wanna be with you on the beach. I wanna be with you with chop chop. I wanna be with you with routine. I wanna be with you in the dance. I wanna be with you on the streets.
Yeah, you're wrong.
Away.
I found a bicycle, run, nowhere to go. I'm on my bicycle and I can't find home. I found a bicycle with nowhere to go. I'm on my bicycle and I can't find home.
Sketchy Bongo.
Say, there's nowhere we can go. Tell me about our place that you think we should go. That you think we should go.
Look at that.
Let me call up the jet, yeah. Just tell me that you know I've been to the little I felt before. Let's open up that door. Should we see how this ends, yeah?
So the guys that set up Spartan knew Raymond was going to be
Trust me, buddy. This is way more than we've dreamed, yeah. And let me take you on a ride. You know that we can go anywhere tonight. LA, Tokyo, let's jump on a flight. There's nowhere we can go. Oh, oh, there's nowhere we can go. Nowhere we can go. Hey, say, look up at them lights, like they're out all night, yeah. We could be anywhere on earth, yeah. So kick off them shoes, let's lose the blues, yeah. So why don't you show me what you got, yeah. But what if it's more? Trust me, buddy. This is way more than we've dreamed, yeah. And let me take you on a ride. You know that we can go anywhere tonight. LA, Tokyo, let's jump on a flight. There's nowhere we can go. There's nowhere we can go. You see, I got your ticket to
We love it,
back,
this.
baby. Jump in, let's cruise. Assuming that you're down, let's get it. But what if it's more? Trust me, believe this is way more than we've dreamed. Let me take you on a ride. You know that we can go anywhere tonight. We go LA, Tokyo, let's jump on a flight. There's nowhere we can go. There's nowhere we can go. Let me take you on a ride. You know that we can go anywhere tonight. Anywhere, LA, Tokyo, let's jump on a flight. There's nowhere we can go. There's nowhere we can go. Nowhere we can go.
So what's up, guys? This is Marco, the man that organized this fantastic event. Spartan. With the team. The team's looking amazing. Love those oaks. Got Mr. Cameron giving me burpees today.
Fantastic.
My man, never have I done burpees like that in my whole life. Okay, well, I love
you got
Cameron,
through it.
love Cameron. Got through it. But my man, take me through the whole start, from start to finish. What you've been doing yesterday morning. So you came up to set up. Tell me your plan of action, what you had.
Well, we've been setting up for over a week.
Yes.
We're setting up everything from the obstacles to the course to festival. But yesterday was predominantly finishing the obstacles, making sure that everything was done, and getting the festival area set up.
Lacquer. My man, and I'm going to ask you which one is your favorite obstacle.
My favorite,
best
they're all
All of them. If you had to pick a top 5, if you had to
rope climb, multi-rig, monkey bars, bucket carry, and sandbag. I like to
Okay,
carry.
you like to carry.
I like
Come
to
on,
carry.
guys, spear throw.
Oh, and spear.
I mean, it's the Spartan.
Nah. But my man, I always struggle on ropes check. I got rope burns.
More rope.
Yeah, more rope.
Use your legs.
More, yeah.
Climb with your legs, not your hands.
Thank you very much. So next race that we're going to have is
The King's Cliff. Trifecta. Yeah, all three. Do the
So how long is the beast going to be? Tell us how long the beast is going to
21, maybe 22K.
be. Okay, and then super?
It'll be 14.
14, and then sprint 6 again. Alright, and then if you do all, because you can do all three,
Trifecta.
right?
That's your trifecta weekend.
Nice. Okay.
All three in one weekend.
No, and how did you get into Spartan, my man? Because this has been for like a year. You brought it to the country.
Yeah, but I've been doing Spartan since 2014.
In 2014, we've been everywhere. All over. Yeah, well, you stories.
Oh, we're going to have coffee over there.
100%.
All non-alcoholic.
Question that I've had on my mind. What are you doing after King's Cliff? Are you going somewhere else?
Yes.
Where? Is it
We
a surprise?
It's going to be a surprise.
It's a surprise. I'm excited. Please can you give us a clue? Just one.
It'll still be some kind of a sprint.
Okay.
And then after that, early next year, we're going ultra. And that'll be
Okay.
55.
Ultra.
Ultra. So the beast that we do, we times that by 2 and we add another 55 kilometers.
What's your always your main base of operation?
Always.
Always. Always. Battle rush.
Battle rush. Yeah.
100%.
Lekker.
Thank you very much, Mr. Marco.
Thank you so much. Thanks. Spartanrace.co.za or go to our website, spartanrace.co.za.
Okay guys, so that was Spartan's sprint race. Thank you guys very much for watching. And just so that you guys know, at the end of the race, speed bump. At the end of the race, you get your medals, right? They're in my pocket. Okay, you get your medal. Boom. So Spartan medal. Okay, but you get two. You get two medals. So you get your sprint medal. Okay, let's see. Yeah, sprint medal, and then you get your trifecta medal. Okay, so you get this little one here that looks like a triangle. Okay, so for three, so you got to do the 3 races: the beast, the sprint, and super, in order to get your trifecta medal. On the 19th, I think it's the 19th in August sometime. I'll let you guys know when. In August, Spartan is having a trifecta weekend, like Marco just told you in the video. Yeah, guys. So it's all 3 races over the, spread over the whole weekend. And yeah, guys. So the next race that I'll be doing, hopefully, is SA Champs, which is down in Durban again. Can't wait to go down to Durban. Last year I missed the slide. But this year, no such thing. This year, I'm going to slide down the slide if they have it. Warrior race, you guys better have the slide. I want the slide. 250 meters of slide. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And guys, please share this video with all your OCR family. Guys, looking forward to seeing you guys at the next race in Durban. Have fun, guys. Till then, keep safe, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.